Park Las Palmas. I'm trying to pronounce these words. I'm trying. So something that I should be worried about is the sun. It's obstructing my beautiful views. You know, when you're pointing the camera towards the sun, the light reflects on your camera and you don't get very amazing views. So let me hope by 6 p.m. we'll have lost the sun and we'll have the golden color. Let me cross from here. See people crossing from here. Las Americas. Traffic is clear. You can now cross. Las Americas. Wait for traffic again. Te quiero tanti, te amo, te amo. Almost hit one of the metal bars. I guess this must be residential buildings. It might be residential buildings. Kanchak. Hello. My guy there with dogos. I hope I'm not hurling any abuses in the name of speaking Spanish. If you hear me say an inappropriate word, please correct me. I don't want to get in trouble. Oh, this is a school bus, just like America. Yellow school buses. There's a hotel here. So far, so good. I love the city.